Welcome to this channel of all Amway. In this video we are going to talk about Nutrilite Vegetable Protein. In this video I am going to tell you what it is and what Nutrilite Vegetable Protein is for. Stay to watch this video until the end. What is vegetable protein? Nutrilite Plant Protein is a 100% plant-based protein containing protein isolates from soy, wheat, and peas. Protein is a macronutrient that our body needs on a daily basis. Each serving contains 8 grams of protein and 9 essential amino acids. A healthy and ideal option for those who want to follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. It is important to include it in the diet, especially for people who do not consume animal products. Being a flavorless powder, this vegetable protein is easy to mix with any drink and food. Due to its vegetable origin, it is low in fat and cholesterol-free, does not contain lactose, milk derivatives, sugars, flavorings or artificial preservatives. Nutrilite Vegetable Protein has the highest quality index according to the standards of the World Health Organization. It is one of the most complete in essential amino acids and easy to digest. Since the body does not store excess protein, it is necessary to consume it daily to ensure that the body gets what it needs. 12 benefits of consuming vegetable protein powder. Helps in the growth and maintenance of muscle mass. It can be a good alternative for vegans or vegetarians looking to increase their protein intake. It is a clean source of protein and low in saturated fat. Contributes to muscle recovery after exercise. May help reduce muscle fatigue. Contributes to the maintenance of healthy bones and teeth. May improve satiety and aid in weight loss. It is easy to prepare and can be a convenient option for people short on time. Improves digestion. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. May be a more sustainable and environmentally friendly source of protein than animal protein. It is a complete protein source that contains all the essential amino acids necessary for health. Frequent questions. What are essential amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks of protein. In nature there are 21. But only 9 of them must be ingested, since the body does not produce them. Nutrilite Vegetable Protein offers you an exclusive blend of these 9. What are the essential amino acids provided by Nutrilite Vegetable Protein? Following the principles of protein complementarity, Nutrilite offers a complete profile that provides 9 essential amino acids: phenylalanine, histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, threonine, tryptophan and valine. Most plant-based proteins do not provide a complete profile of essential amino acids. Can this product be consumed by vegetarians and vegans? Thanks to its ingredients of plant origin, it is a product suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Can this product be combined with food and drinks? Yes, thanks to its tasteless powder presentation it can be combined with food and drinks such as soup, pancakes, smoothies, or salads. Use it as an ingredient in baked dishes and in any recipe in general. What is the Protein Digestibility Index? The digestibility index of vegetable protein is 1, which qualifies as a high-quality protein. This is based on measuring the amount of essential amino acids present in the protein, as well as how easy it is to digest them. Instructions for use. Add a full tablespoon, approximately 10 g, to a glass of milk, fruit juice, or other liquid. If you wish, you can add sweeteners or other ingredients to give flavor. Mix or shake. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, I invite you to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video to this channel. And if you like this video, I invite you to share it so that other people can learn about this product. Thank you so much.